This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Kevin Dyke. Lots of updates to this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house. The basement has been upgraded with fresh painted, new steps, a new exterior French door, a large bonus room has been added, laundry room added, and plenty of storage space. The wood-burning stove will save lots of money of heating costs in the winter time. Fenced backyard with 2 outbuildings give plenty of room for pets and storage. Upstairs, there are 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. Hardwood floors, ceramic tile in kitchen and bathroom. The kitchen and bathroom upstairs have been updated. Don't wait around on this one. Buyer to verify square footage. For more information, review the details below or contact Kevin Dyke at 865-687-1111.